Here is my package of the Boyalink 3. Let me cut it open. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Let me move it closer. Boyalink 3 AI powered button sized wireless microphone. Just so you can see every detail. Okay, so let's open it. Two boxes inside. Okay, so let's see what we have. The charging case, beautifully made. Very beautiful. All right, that's the charging port. So we have 4 LEDs in front, and this is really beautiful. 2 microphones or transmitters, and then at the middle there you have the receiver. Okay, so there are 2 connectors or adapters there, so you can use whichever suits your smartphone or recording equipment. So let's see the second box. This is a pouch. These are windshields, 2 of them. This is a USB-C to USB-A charging cable. And this is a 3.5 mm male-to-male auxiliary cable. This is a warranty card. And let's see what we have again. A user manual and hooks for your microphone. It enables you to place the microphones and then hook these to your shirt. Magnetic, as you can see. And very well built. All right. So this is the first microphone I'm taking out, just to try to make it okay. Now it's better. As you can see, it's very beautiful, very well designed. And it's magnetic at the back. So this is the second one, very similar to the other one, no difference. That's a power button and a noise cancellation button. I will explain all these later. That's the receiver, and I'll talk about it shortly. This is the user manual. Okay. Let's see what is inside. It shows you how to pair the transmitter and the receiver, how to charge. That's a QR code. And on the other side, it's written in Chinese. All right. So that's the receiver. Two LEDs that light up when it is on. That's a QR code. And these are different connection options. A power button and a port for the auxiliary cable. This is the power button. Okay. Branding on top. So that's what it looks like. These are two adapters, and you can use whichever one suits your smartphone or recording device. Okay. Let me show you how to do it. Bring out the receiver. Let me remove this covering. So take out one of the connectors or adapters. Then you're going to align it with the receiver. And it enters, and you move it in the clockwise direction, and that is it. So as it is, you can now plug it into your smartphone. Okay, this is how it sits, this is how it looks. To remove it, anti-clockwise rotation, and it is out. So I can now place it back into the charging case. Now let me show you how to pair the Boyalink 3. Take the receiver. Now look at the power button. You press and hold it for 5 seconds until these LEDs begin to blink frequently. So it's in pairing mode. Take one of the microphones and you're also going to press and hold the power button for 5 seconds. The LED will blink frequently. Now you can see one of the LEDs is stable, meaning it has been integrated. So I do the same for the second microphone. Now the other LED on the receiver is stable. So at this point, both microphones are integrated with the receiver. Let me also show you how to activate noise cancellation. There is the button on each microphone and you press once. And that is it. The LEDs on both microphones turn green, as well as those on the receiver. Now let's test the sound of the Boyalink 3 outside this room. Alright, so I have one of my microphones on. Sorry about the shaking. So this is a very windy area, and what you're hearing is the sound from the Boyalink 3. Okay, so you can tell how it sounds. Okay, so you can hear how it sounds. Alright, I am back inside, and if you would like to try out the windshields, here is how you use them. Take one and insert one of the microphones. So I'm doing it. And then you take your hook and you place it on it, and there you have it. So guys, you can get the Boyalink 3 using the link in the description. And this has been my review of the Boyalink 3. Thank you very much for watching.